Welcome to Buycombi. This video introduces Fit Once, the most advanced patented cartridge available for the Vaillant diverter valve. No drain down is required during servicing. There are two choices of Fit Once kits. The first is for the Vaillant ecoTEC range and the second for the Vaillant ecoFIT range. Included with the ecoTEC kit is our market-leading patented extraction tools that enable quick and simple cartridge replacement without removing the whole diverter valve. Fitting the replacement Fit Once cartridge could not be simpler. For the ecoFIT range, we also have the compatible Fit Once cartridge replacement kit, which is a simple swap over. Servicing is quick and easy. There is no need to drain down the boiler, and the canister seals can be replaced within minutes. You can sign up to our extended warranty program as and when you purchase your Fit Once cartridge. For more details and to see if your boiler is compatible, go to www.buycombi.com.